All right, so clearly you are a hustler.
Yeah.
Clearly you work hard. So I want you to take me through Raphael's day. I want you to take me, it is morning, or maybe you get up at noon, I don't know. I doubt that. Start me out all the way through your morning routine in detail, through the evening, and how does it go?
How it is now is wake up early in the morning. So I have multiple different companies, commercial acquisitions, my education company, my wholesale company. Those are my three main companies that I'm focused on. So, wake up in the morning. I wake up around 6 o'clock. And the first thing I do is, prayer. I immediately always fall to prayer. And I journal really simply. I journal, what I feel like is on my heart that day. What's on my heart? Because I think everyone in life needs wisdom. I think the reason why I'm at where I'm at today is not because of all these, because I'm so smart, because I'm not that smart. But, one thing that I do is I consistently ask for wisdom, and I think that's the reason why I'm at where I'm at today is that I always seeked for wisdom. I sought for wisdom from other mentors, most importantly from God. So in my journal, I'm seeking for wisdom every single day. I'm just like, hey, I have this going on in my life. What is the right decision? And I'm journaling to God pretty much, or your universe, whatever whatever your believer, people that are watching this believe in. So I'm journaling, and I find a Bible verse that literally relates to what's going on in my day, and that's it. I journal. That's what I do in the morning time. Once I'm done with that in the morning time, I'm off to the races. I'm going straight to the office. I get to the office around 7 a.m. And, I structure my entire day. I have quarterly rocks. So there's a great book out there called Scaling Up and Traction. So we have quarterly rocks in every single one of our companies, and then we create to-dos that are supposed to be hit for that, to hit those quarterly rocks every single day. And then I calendar them out in my day. So it could be, have to shoot a podcast today, have to go, for educational, clients, have to do videos, have to do, build out something in our new CRM, et cetera, et cetera. So there's always to-dos that are linked exactly with the rocks, which are quarterly goals, right? Mm-hmm. So that's what my day is. And I go until I fast, I fast when I'm in the office, I'm fasting. So I fast all day, roughly until, 3 p.m., 4 p.m. And then I break my first meal, and then I go to the gym at around 6:30, 7 o'clock.
I don't mean to pause you here, but I got to ask. You get up at 6 o'clock, you're doing your prayers, you're doing your journaling, you read a biblical verse, you rush to the office, and your first meal is at 4 p.m.?
Yeah, 4 p.m. So, intermittent fasting has actually been a huge, it's been amazing for me. Fasting for me not only is a spiritual kind of discipline, but it's also, more importantly for me, it not only does it help you with your physical body, but it also gives you increased ketones in your mind, so you can think more creatively, you think more aggressively, you think more intuitively and sharp. It sharpens your mind, essentially. So there's a massive amount of ketones that are going to your brain, which is kind of the fight or flight mindset. And so it makes you more creative, makes you think quicker, sharper on your feet, whatever it is. So I fast, and then I break my fast around 4 p.m. and then I hit the gym, and then after my gym, I finish the remainder of my calories eating. I go home, and I'm typically reading with some hookah. That's my vice is hookah. I love hookah. And then, I go to sleep, and I might sleep, 5 hours on average a night. 5-6 hours is a good night. And so 5 to 6 hours a night is what I'm doing. So that's pretty much it.
Wow. Yeah. I would be a complete bear if I didn't eat until 4 o'clock.
Yeah.